Hello students, today I am going to discuss about chapter fraction and decimal. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole, means 7 by 8. This is a fraction. 3 by 2, this is also a fraction. 1 whole 2 by 5, 2 by 3, this is also a fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. And there is three type of fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is proper fraction? In fraction, suppose 7 by 8. 7 by 8 in fraction, 7 is known as numerator and 8 is known as denominator. So when numerator is less than denominator or denominator is greater than numerator, then it is called proper fraction. So it is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. 7 by 8. Denominator is greater than numerator or numerator is less than denominator. This fraction is known as proper fraction. Improper fraction, 3 by 2. Opposite of proper fraction, means numerator is greater than denominator. Denominator 2 and numerator 3. So numerator is greater than denominator. This is called improper fraction. And there is another fraction also. This is called mixed fraction. 2 whole 2 by 5. This is mixed fraction. One whole number and another fraction part. Whole part and fraction part. Mix up of whole part and fraction part. This is called mixed fraction. 2 is a whole part and 2 by 5 is a fraction. So 2 whole 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So three fractions are there. Now question. Find the values of P and Q. This is a table. This is a table given in your question. First box 7 whole 3 by 10, then 1 whole 1 by 2, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, P, 3 whole 7 by 10, here 1 whole 7 by 10, 2 whole 4 by 5 and here Q. We have to find the value of P and Q, and question is given if the sum of numbers in each row and each column, sum of number in each row and each column, means column, sum of column and sum of row are same. Sum of numbers in each row and each column is same. So according to question we can write 7 whole 3 by 10 plus 1 whole 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5 equal to, means row 1. According to question, row 1, sum of row 1. 7 whole 3 by 10 means 73 by 10. 1 whole 1 by 2 means 3 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5. Now LCM 10, 73 plus 2 5 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8. So 73 plus 15 plus 8 means 96 by 10. 96 by 10, we have to correct it, we have to change it simple form. 2 5 ja 10, 2 48 ja 96. So sum of first row is 48 by 5. Now sum of second row, row 2, 3 by 5 plus p plus 3 whole 7 by 10 equal to 48 by 5. This is given if the sum of number in each row and each column is same. Sum of first row 48 by 5 and sum of second row also we get 48 by 5. Now calculate it. P equal to 48 by 5 minus 3 by 10 minus 37 by 10. So P equal to 10 LCM, 5 to the 10, 48 to the 96 minus 3 by 5, sorry, 3 by 5, 5 to the 10, 6 minus 37 equal to 53 by 10 means 5 whole 3 by 10. P equal to 5 whole 3 by 10. Now row 3. In row 3 we have to find row 3, then we will get Q. Row 3 equal to sum of row 3 1 whole 7 by 10 plus 2 whole 4 by 5 plus Q equal to 48 by 5. Now Q equal to 48 by 5 minus 10 1 ja 10 and plus 7, 17 by 10 minus 5 2 ja 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. LCM of 5, 10, 5 means 10, 5 to the 10, 48 to the 96, 10 1 ja 10, 17 1 ja 17, 5 to the 10, 14 to the 28. Now 96 minus 17 minus 28 means 51 by 10. 51 by 10 means 5 whole 1 by 10. Q equal to 5 whole 1 by 10 and P equal to 5 whole 3 by 10. Now another question. Product of two fraction. Product of two fraction. Product of two fraction is 15 by 98. Product of two fraction is 15 by 98 if one fraction is 5 by 14, then find the other fraction. Find the other fraction. Product of two fraction is 15 by 98. If one fraction is 5 by 14, then find the other fraction. So, let the required fraction be, let the required fraction be x. Now, according to question, product of two fraction is 15 by 98. One fraction, let the required fraction is x, and one fraction is already given 5 by 14. So according to question we can write x into 5 by 14 equal to 15 by 19 because product of two fraction is 15 by 19. Now x equal to 15 by 98 by 5 by 14. X equal to 15 by 98 into 14 by 5. 5 3 ja 15, 14 7 ja 98. So x equal to 3 by 7. This is the answer. Other fraction is 3 by 7. Okay. Now another type of question. Find the value of P. Find the value of P if 46.92 minus 89.34 minus P equal to 148.76 minus 382.79. Here this is the decimal fraction. 46.92 minus 89.34 minus P equal to 148.76 minus 76 minus 382.79. We have to find the value of P. First of all, P equal to P minus P equal to 382.79 minus 148.76 plus 46.92 plus minus 89.34. P equal to 382.79 minus 148.76 plus 46.92 minus 89.34. So 429.71. 382.79 and 46.92 both are plus. 382.79 plus 46.92, if we add both digit, then we will get 429.71 and 148.76 minus 89.34, both are minus, so we add both the terms. 148.76 minus 89.34, we get 238.1. Now 429.71 minus 238.1 means 191.61. So value of P is 191.61. This is the answer. Now another question is simplify. Simplify. Mix up of decimal fraction and fraction. 1.86 divide 0.3 minus 1 by 6 of 19.3 minus 14.5. So 1.86 divide 0.3. 1.86 divide 0.83 minus 1 by 6 of 19.3 minus 14.5 plus 0.3 into 6.8. First, what to do? 19.3 minus 14.5. This is first bracket. So 1.86 divide 0.3 minus 1 by 6 of 19.3 minus 14.5t. We have to subtract from 19.3 to 14.5 and we get 4.8 plus 0.3 into 6.8. Now 1.86, then function is off function. 0.3 minus 6, 8 ja 6, 8 ja 48, so 0.8. 0.8 plus 0.3 into 6.8. After that, multiply is there, divide is there, minus also and plus also. First function is divide function. So 1.86 divide 0.3. If we divide, then we will get 6.2. minus 0.8 plus 0.3 into 6.8. After that, multiply is there. First divide, then multiply. So 6.2 minus 0.8, 0.3 into 6.8 means we will got 2.04. 6.2 minus 0.8 plus 2.04. 6.2 plus 2.04 and minus 0.4. We will get 7.44. Answer is 7.44. This is the answer. Now next math, evaluate. Evaluate 2 whole 5 by 4 minus 4 whole 7 by 6 plus 3 whole 1 by 3 by 0.087 plus 0.3717 divide 0.9. 2 whole 5 by 4, first we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 2 whole 5 by 4 means 13 by 4 minus 4 whole 7 by 6. 4 whole 7 by 6 means 31 by 6 plus 10 by 3 and 0.087 plus 0.3717 divide 0.9. Divide function is first function. So if we divide 0.3717 by 0.9, we will get 0.413. After that, LCM of numerator 4, 6, 3, LCM 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 13 ja 39 minus 62 plus 40 and 0.087 plus 0.413. 39 minus 62 plus 40. 39 plus 40, 79. 79 minus 62 means 17. 17 by 12 and 0.87 plus 0.413 means 0.5. So 17 by 12 by 5 by 10. So 17 by 12 into 10 by 5. 5 cancel. 17 by 6 means 2 whole 5 by 6. This is the right answer. 2 whole 5 by 6. Now next question. When 40257 is divided by 213. When 40257 is divided by 213, the question is when 40257 is divided by 213, then question is 189. What will be the question? What will be the question when 40.257 is divided by 0.0189? 0.0189. So what is the simplest way? If when 40257 is divided by 213 means 40257 divided by 213, we will get 189 is the quotient. Similarly, when we divide 40257 by 189, then we will get 213. Because 40257 divided by 213, 189 is the quotient. And we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient. So if we divide 40257 by 189, then we will also get 213. Now question is 40.257 divide by 0.0189. Simplify it. 40.257 by 10,000 by 189 by 1000. This is 1000, this is 10,000. Now 40.257 by 1000 into 10,000 by 189. Now 40257 by 189 into 10,000 by 1000. And we know 40257 by 189 equal to 213. And this is 10,000 divided by 1000 means 10 got. So 2130 is the right answer. 2130. Now another type of math. This is a triangle and this is a rectangle. A, B, C, D, E. A 4 hole 2 by 3. AC 3 by 4 centimeter. BC 2 hole 3 by 5 centimeter. And this is 5 by 2 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC and perimeter of rectangle BCDE. We know that perimeter of triangle ABC equal to sum of 3 sides, means 4 hole 2 by 3 plus 2 hole 3 by 5 plus 3 by 4 centimeter. Now 14 by 3 plus 13 by 5 plus 3 by 4. And LCM is 60. 280 plus 156 plus 45 equal to 481 by 60 centimeter, means 8 hole 1 by 60 centimeter, perimeter of triangle. And perimeter of rectangle BCD, we know that 2 into perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. 2 into L 5 by 2 plus 2 whole 3 by 5. Now 2 into 5 by 2 plus 2 whole 3 by 5 means 13 by 5. 2 into 51 by 10, 2 5 ja 10 means 10 whole 1 by centimeter. This is the perimeter of rectangle. Thank you students in this class up to this.